Welcome back to my kitchen. If you love pasta, you're going to enjoy this recipe. Today, I'll show you how to make a perfect spaghetti dish that's simple, flavorful, and sure to impress. Stay with me until the end and let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need spaghetti noodles, fresh cherry tomatoes, minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, a little salt, fresh basil, and paprika powder. Simple ingredients that make all the difference. Start by cooking your spaghetti noodles in salted boiling water until al dente. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. When the pasta is cooked, carefully drain it using a colander. Give it a light shake to remove excess water. You can save a small cup of the pasta water. This will help loosen the sauce later if needed. Now, heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the fresh cherry tomatoes. Stir them around and let them cook until they soften and start releasing their juices. This creates a natural light tomato sauce. Stirring occasionally, about 5 minutes. The garlic, salt, and paprika powder and cook until fragrant. 1 more minute. Use the back of a spoon or a potato masher to carefully mash the tomatoes to release their juices. Continue cooking until the tomatoes continue to burst and create a sauce. 5 more minutes. Transfer the drained pasta on top of the tomato sauce along with the Parmesan cheese and toss to combine. Add as much as reserved pasta water as needed to reach the desired consistency. And there you have it, a simple yet delicious homemade spaghetti, perfect for lunch or dinner and ready in no time. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a like, subscribe for more recipes, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.